Hello everyone, Luke Smith here, and let me just turn this monitor off. And there. Oh, there's no power. Oh, that's load of good. This is for the disassembly of the ZyXEL wireless or wired router. I say wireless or wired. You can connect this up using a wired connection to your computer, or wireless to laptops and tablets and smartphones and stuff. Now, this was one of my first routers I had when I moved into the new house. Well, this house I've been in for about 16 odd years now. I don't know why I'm saying new house. Let's have a little look around. Like, it's got all these like lights and stuff what you see on a standard router, like connections, how many PCs are connected, the on and off, the wireless function, internet cables, if it's connected up to the internet, and I believe that's network. It's got spare lights. I don't know what these are for, but I don't think they do anything. On the back it's got the aerial, and it's got some ports like the DSL, basically phone line in, and then you just connect your landlines up. So my computer is connected up to a wired connection. It's the only computer that's on a wired connection in the house. The rest are wireless, because for stable uploads I like a wired connection because it's secure. Oh, it's also got the reset button in there, stick a pin in there, the on and off function, and the power in. Now, so first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this. Take the aerial out. It's a standard aerial. Yeah, oh yeah, on the back is some basic information about the product, serial number. I'm not really bothered if someone else takes this, because it is old and it probably doesn't work. But if it does, I might be testing this. If this does still work, you just need a Phillips screwdriver for this, 2 screws. If this does still work, I'm gonna give it away to like a relative or family member. That's a spare router. I mean, we got one. We've got one of these for ourselves. I'm using it right now. I might update it, I'm not quite sure yet, but really it's been doing pretty well. Yeah, it's been doing pretty well for itself. Right, so inside in the cover we've got the channels for all the lights, all the LED lights, and there's nothing more. It's just the top lid. And now for this bit, I won't bother taking the entire motherboard out, because frankly I don't think it can come out. Yeah, it's sealed in there. I'm not quite sure, but this is what the inside of a router looks like. Well, bear in mind that this is a pretty old router, about 5 or 6, almost 10 years old. So I'm pretty sure that the internals on most new ones are a lot different nowadays. Like this one has got the brand name on it. I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, this bit is always the wireless section, because I do remember when I've been watching disassemblies of new consoles, they always have like a board like that, which is the wireless Wi-Fi. This is a Wi-Fi router. This sends out Wi-Fi signals, and I think it is a, yeah, you need a password to get into it. I've got to figure that out in case I need to use this again. But yeah, it just got all the standard stuff, like it's got a little serial number in there and everything, and it's got all the components for the ports. Like there's the aerial in, this is the phone line in section, this is for your landlines or networking cables, and then it just got the switch and the power, which if Oh no, I thought you could replace it. You can't. It's just this bit connecting the two boards together. Yeah, yeah. Like I said, I'm not going to bother taking this board out, mostly because one, it is late at night, and two, it'll be pretty much the same thing on the other side. I don't think there's a fan on it, even though there might be a tiny fan, like a heat sink on the other side of this board. So I'm not quite sure. Actually, let me just... might need a better screwdriver for this though. It is undoing. It is undoing. Yeah. Safety first. You must not leave this plugged into the mains when you're doing that, but I'm pretty sure that's pretty common knowledge. Also, will undoing these screws, yes, it will come out, and I've got to be careful because I only got about 30 minutes of hard drive space in this. It was connected by these pins here. That's the other side. Yeah, it's connected by these little teeth here, and it basically, yeah, connects up to here. So I'm pretty certain that this is the Wi-Fi board. Just seeing if we can get a close-up of that. That's the serial number of it. And down here, made in Taiwan, it's got the what it is down there. So yeah, that's a really good thing. I believe these clips has got smaller throughout time itself. So yeah, I'm going to try and put that back later. I'm not going to assemble it on video, do that in my own time. So yeah, that was the disassembly of the wireless router. Disassembly of the ZyXEL wireless router. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also in the description below is all my social networking links, and a link to get $5 off your subscription to Loot Crate. Isn't that fancy? So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. So until then, see you guys.